Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. My name is Madhudana Ardana and over the next few minutes we will embark on journey from seeing everyday problem to discovering real profit. Welcome to From Problem to Profit. We've all seen a successful product or service and talk, why didn't I think of that? We often believe the great innovation comes from a sudden flash of genius. But didn't you know? According to research from CB Insight, the number one reason startups fail isn't running out of money, but because they build a product with no market need. This happens because they focus on the idea, not the problem. The best ideas rarely appear out of thin air. They are born from something far more fundamental, a real problem. Today, we will dissect the process together. First, we will shift our perspective, moving from a solution first mindset to a problem first one. Second, we will learn to dissect the anatomy of a profitable problem, what are its characteristics that makes it worth solving. And finally, most importantly, we will build a practical action plan that you can use to start discovering valuable opportunities around you, starting today. This is the most crucial chance. Stop asking, what can I build? And start asking, what problem can I solve? Think of yourself as a doctor. A good doctor doesn't just hand out a random medicine to their patient. They ask, what are the symptoms? Why does it hurt? How long has this been happening? They conduct a deep diagnosis first. It's the same for innovators. We must diagnose the market's pains before we offer the medicine or solution. Many businesses fail because they act like medicine salesmen, not like a doctor. Of course, not all problems are created equal. A problem worth solving has three key DNA standards. First, it's painful. Ask yourself, is this a vitamin nice to have or a painkiller I must have? Focus on the painkillers. Second, it's valuable. Are people already spending money time or energy trying to solve this problem, even with imperfect solution? If yes, that assign there as a budget for a better solution. And third, it's widespread. Does does this problem affect 10 people or 10,000 people? Market size is critical for future growth. So, how do we find this problem? Don't just ask in survey because people are often unaware of their own problem. Observe real behavior, look for workarounds, the clever or unusual ways people compensate for a flawed system. A simple example is when someone uses a shoe or a stack of books to prop a door open. The real problem isn't I need a shoe by the door, isn't I need a way for this door to stay open when my hands are full. These workarounds are opportunity gold mines. And when you see one, ask the most important question. Why are they doing it this way? Alright, let's summarize everything into an action plan. There are three steps. First, observe. Be the most curious person. Read online forums like Reddit. Look at product review section on e-commerce sites or listen to conversation around you. Look for patterns of complaints and frustrations. Second, question. Once you see something interesting, dig deeper. This isn't an interrogation, it's empathy. Ask why. Repeatedly to understand the emotion and context behind the problem. How does it make them feel? What are the consequences for them? Third, connect. After understanding the root cause, connect the dots into a clear opportunity statement. If you can solve the root problem, what unique value can you offer to the customer? Look around you right now. Every object in this room, every service you use today from the chair you're sitting on the onto the apps on your phone, everything starts as a solution to someone's problem. Innovation is everywhere, disguised as small innovation and frustration. Remember this. The most profitable companies don't sell a product. They sell solution to well-defined problem. So, the question we must answer is not what can we build, but rather what valuable problem can we solve. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I hope this presentation has given you a new perspective and sparked your curiosity to start seeing the world as a field to opportunities. Now I will be happy to open the floor for discussion and answer any question you may have. Thank you and goodbye.